Today we're talking about the East Indian. Who are we talking about? The East Indian. And East Indians are very nice people, just like the Africans, the Chinese. What else more we did? We did the Amerindians. So today we're talking about the East Indian. Alright, so look here for the East Indian girls. They would wear sari or bahara. Look what I have on here. See what I have on? No, I dress like a East Indian. And you see the bangles? The girls would wear the bangles. Take a look at the bangles. This is an East Indian boy. You see his hair? It's different from my own. Who can say I am a African? And he is a East Indian. And who can say the name of the clothes he's wearing? Who can tell me? It is white. And it is a kurta. Good. So this is how the boys would dress, and this is how the girls would dress. Alright? Thank you. So today, we're going to talk about food, the type of food that they would eat. Who can tell me what the East Indian would eat?
Me.
What do you call this?
Food.
Dal and rice. Dal and rice.
सुरूर है असर तेरा ये जरूर है तेरी नजर का कसूर है पास तू क्यों दूर है ये इश्क का जो फितूर है नशे में दिल तेरे चूर है